Okay, students, to make your worksheets, this is how you're gonna do it, okay? I will explain in a brief explanation, okay? You have here man. This is man, okay? The picture here is a man. Man is a noun. And you have angry. Angry is an adjective. So, as I have discussed to you a while ago, we can describe or we can make a sentence two ways. The first, we have noun first and then adjective. Or we can use adjective first and then noun. How are we gonna do it? Okay, next. So this is how you are going to do it. Noun, adjective. Adjective, noun. So this is the example of the sentence that have noun and adjective. So it is very simple. You are going to make like this. The man is angry. So man is the noun and then angry is the adjective. Noun, adjective. The other way is adjective, noun. You are going to make like this. An angry man. So you have the adjective first and then noun. The an here, so you can say an or a. And then here you will use the. Okay? Now I will give you 5 words, 5 different pictures, and then you are going to make a sentence. You can choose to make a sentence, adjective or noun first, like this, or you can use noun first and then adjective. Okay? Depends on you. Choose only one sentence or make only one sentence per picture. So I will show you the first one. Number 1. Okay, make a sentence. So this is the first one. So you have the adjective happy and girl. So it depends on you if you are going to use noun, adjective, or adjective, noun. Number 2, yellow and then lemon. Yellow is the adjective, lemon is the noun. Next, weak and then boy. Weak is the adjective, boy is noun. Teddy bear, fluffy. So teddy bear is the noun, fluffy is the adjective. And then Max. Max is the noun. And then fat is the adjective. Okay? So please write it on the paper. Take a picture and then upload in the album that I make in our line group. Thank you.